In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all unread emails in Gmail. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a cluttered inbox, you're not alone. Managing email can often feel like a daunting task, but today we're going to simplify it and give you back control over your inbox. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open your Gmail account. Once you're logged into Gmail, take a moment to locate the left sidebar. This sidebar is your main navigation tool within Gmail, offering you easy access to various folders and settings. Now, you might notice a More button on this sidebar. It's usually towards the lower part of the list. Go ahead and click on More. By doing this, you'll reveal additional options that aren't initially visible, providing access to a fuller range of Gmail's organizational tools. Within these newly revealed options, you'll find something labeled All Mail. Clicking on All Mail will display every single email message in your account, regardless of which folder or label they may be currently sorted into. It's like an X-ray vision of your inbox, revealing everything in one place. Now, turning our attention to the top of the emails list, you'll see some filter prompts. Filters are incredibly useful for sorting through your messages based on specific criteria, and today we're focusing on unread emails. To apply this filter, look for something that says "is unread" and click on it. This action will isolate all the unread emails from the rest, displaying only those that you haven't opened yet. Viewing them all at once makes it much easier to address them as a group, rather than sifting through them individually. At the top of the list of unread emails, there's a checkbox. By clicking this checkbox, you're instructing Gmail to select all visible unread emails on this page. It's a powerful tool if you want to affect all messages displayed. Once all the unread emails are selected, you'll notice a trash can icon near the top. This icon represents the delete function. Go ahead and click on the trash can icon. By doing so, you'll move all those selected unread emails to the trash, effectively clearing them from your primary view. Keep in mind that these emails will be permanently deleted after 30 days, unless you choose to delete them manually from the trash earlier. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you can significantly declutter your Gmail inbox by removing all unread messages. It's an efficient way to maintain a tidy and manageable email space, allowing you to focus on the messages that truly matter to you. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made email management a little bit easier for you.